Real. Shit, man. Yo. It's a world war. Ukraine ain't letting the niggas leave. Russia bombing shit back to back like me and lungs, but somehow the blacks still enemies. We under attack. The mob move out like the Genovese. Death around me, I can feel the breeze. So that shit that got my daddy high. I feel comfy in the dinner thieves. Larry homie, let him rock the rollie. Threw him 7 cause I know my story. Rather be in the casket dead before he ever write a testimony. A little Tim something fuck with me. Turnpike hitting 150. Cause I said we can control the map. I told him pick nigga what city. No horseplay. Stars on his Akbar pray. A gun hoe is running out of bullets, but this machete chop all day. Come here, blood can't mix with the money. Murder is bad for business, but disrespect can never be tolerated. That nigga had to get it. I stayed in my lane, I went from the rag to riches. All I wanted was the breeze, pot in the stove. That's how we survived them blizzards, not to get past the limits. Late night, riding around with them demons, fighting my demons. Them niggas started, we just finished the job. Killing one of ours, we trying to get even. I can still hear the spoon scraping glass. Made a 7 off of 8.5. Let me find out that they hating. There's no conversation. Woke up, turn potato to mash. Blah, 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 blah. I got it out of the basement before the fans raided. Yeah, I was ahead of my past. Let me find out they hating. Skip the conversation. Woke up and turn your potato to mash.
It's all about money. Nothing else. I really blow. Pick up the shells. Everything is fire when you're stuck in hell. Seem it's only me that don't fuck with 12. Police remove your teeth. Bella, you're the beast. Better burn a car. That body gon' smell. If on the Ave, niggas is way out the reach. I see you biting your nails. Swap life. I got my guap right. Banana clip hanging. I'm swinging like Cartwright. You better walk light. We under siege. They shooting up schools. There's blood on the leaves. They turned it up by 100 degrees. I stare at the flag. America starting to bleed. These rats is finally eating the cheese. 10-4. Bought 6 acres in Texas. I'm about to buy 10 more. Garlic rice, shrimp, tempura. It's funny. I used to kick doors, making sandwiches in niggas' cribs like brown man from the 5th floor. Then I turned into the butter man, did the money dance. I was piss poor. They still on the block. Them niggas degenerate. Stars the general, picking my shots, get sniped from the roof. I'm Larry Davis with a deer rifle. They gon' have to get swapped. I made it. Never mixed the rice with gravy. Skating, these niggas is trash. Let me find out they hating. Skip the conversation. Walk up and turn your potato to mash. Blah, blah.